Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making eggplant pizzas in the air fryer. What we need for this healthy recipe is eggplant, mozzarella shredded cheese, seasonings such as salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, tomato sauce, and olive oil. So this pizza recipe is using slices of eggplant as a pizza crust. So this is low carb and very healthy. To make the eggplant pizza base, we need to slice the eggplant. So I'm going to cut off the end. I'm not going to use this slice, and I'll start from here. I need as many slices as fit in the air fryer basket, which is 4 for my air fryer. So the first step to making the eggplant pizzas would be to pre-bake the eggplant pizza crust in the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray so the eggplant doesn't stick. And now let's put the eggplant pizza base in the air fryer in a single layer. And now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on top of the eggplant. And use a pastry brush to brush it evenly. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer and set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 10 minutes. Now when the air fryer is done cooking, let's take out the basket. See how nicely those pizzas are browned? And now we will season them. I'm going to sprinkle them with salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and now I will assemble the eggplant pizzas. We will spread the tomato sauce and then sprinkle with shredded cheese. So let's put a little bit of tomato sauce on each eggplant slice. And now I will spread it to coat it evenly. And finally, we'll sprinkle it with the shredded cheese. Okay, now so I've assembled the pizzas, so let's put them back in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 4 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious eggplant pizzas. They look amazing. What a great low-carb alternative to pizza. It's so easy to make them in the air fryer. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks.